Following the declaration of Biafra in Finland, they say that many investors who want come to invest in Nigeria have now dictated that Nigeria airport is distorting money from people, and because of this reason, many of them now are leaving as we dey talk right now. As that one dey happen, one of the US member, hardcore member, wey they call Methuselah, don come aside, come say many things concerning the matter wey dey happen for inside Biafra right now, which is I go play you the videos, may you also watch. They say that mad people are not longer mad again. No, as many people you find in your street, you should be very, very vigilant, because most of them are not mad. They are pretending to be mad in order way to extort money from people's hand, and we are going to bring the video up for you to watch. You see, about 4 or 5 people was captured with different things, like different guns and all that they have in their hand they used to operate. So guys, we are going to look inside this matter one after the other, and before we come back and proceed. My people, as they say that for inside Murtala Mohammed International Airport right now, you know, some time ago, there's a lady that make a video telling that he's not going to pay any money to all those agents, all those officers that work in airports. That video went viral, and later on we hear that the Nigerian government arrested that lady for exposing that truth. This is a coalition business. Anything you see that's going on in a state or in office, that means the government knows about it. So the people who gathered together to plan this are gathered to arrest this lady. So we are going to watch the videos one after the other, and make sure you share the video. Let us watch.
Arụemene, ị na-enweta this video gị na-share ya, make sure na share this video. Lee anya ebe anụ ka ịfụ ya afụ ebe boys disguise onwe ha ka ndị ara gaa na street na-anapụ ndị mmadụ ka ha ji. Arụ na-eme n'obodo. So many people chọrọ ịgba Christmas anụ in a very big way. So plan ha bụ ka ha napụ ndị mmadụ ka ha ji were gba Christmas anụ ife a na-achọ ịgba. Share the video. Share the video. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold this one. All the way to Cavalry. Na Cavalry on the go. So oh yeah. One and all run. No. Aja na. Ana. Where the other kolo? Oriye da na no robe muna ronye. Na the dream of that. Where? Yeah, wa siawo. I mean yeah wa. Where we oji na we. No one no. This one not be gone.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. You don't see them. These are the people where they claim say they be mad people. Where they say they know they mad. They just use them. They collect money for one corner with anybody where they see. So this is not everything they go. So be careful. Any person where you want interact with this, especially see this small few months where remain to enter another new year. Okay, my people, let us bring the video of Methuselah make una watch before we jump inside another Ogbenge news where we get for our hand.
I bring you greetings from the city of Vienna here in Austria. I just want to use the opportunity to encourage many of you IPOBDS and lovers of freedom that it's time for us to pay attention to the main game. We have tried for the past 3 years now. We have been vindicated many times, and behold, they will continue to try again. But now we have tried to prove to others, especially those who are not following up, they have known that these people came to make caricature of the Biafran struggle, to distract us from the main goal. I want to see many of you begin to bring Mazen Nnamdi in front of their topic, bring the atrocities committed by these individuals that are still in us. Mind you, I didn't say we should leave them completely, but they should not be the subject matter. We can reference them from point to point and to make sure that we continue checkmating them indirectly, but they are not going to be the subject matter anymore. There's a lot of things for us to congregate to do. I love many of you as you are combating the assault on our race. It's also one of the points that we must make sure we push back. So as many of you are trying your own endeavors, I want to see a new change in the utterances, in the way we do things, and at the same time the topic that we raise. Because one Nigerian has been benefiting from seeing these individuals who claim to be part of us derailing what we're doing. They love them. That is why they are promoting them. But now you can see they have gotten to their end point. They call it end of the road. So we must rise up to do what we know how to do best. Remember this, and I remain a humble servant.
They compromise an entire struggle. They compromise it. That is why I love what these fools are doing by the side. Even today, we have picked up some potential traitors that we know in time to come that they couldn't handle things when they're put under pressure. So you're telling me that Yoruba paper can... So you people don't know that? That time will come when Yoruba papers and AIT will devote their time to try to bring down the leadership. You don't know that?
Video clip, I have tried to get used to it, but it's a little bit complicated. So we're also going to use Twitter Space. So we're going to analyze the beginning of the journey till today, and at the same time to see a reason to begin to ask into the real movement that we're into, to begin to know what is going on. Mazen Namdekan is still in detention. I know this people came as a distraction, and they really tried to distract this movement, but we are now getting back on our feet. The mission was to destroy it, but now they could not destroy it. That's why you see them asking questions about how to unite if we are not fighting for the same goal. But they forgot that they did what they call vote of no confidence, and today they have failed woefully. So that's why they're asking about unity. In case you don't know the genesis, don't mind them when they see them in different platforms asking us to unite with one another. Some are sitting on the fence. Some will tell you they are neutral. They are waiting for Mazen Namdekan to come out. Please don't mind them. These are the people that have failed woefully. So instead of them to confess of their sin, they now decided to come for unity. We are not going to unite with any individual who have used his word in one way or the other to take the life of our people at home. So we're not going to condone that. Like I said, we're going to convene today. A lot of people have been telling me that I should come to Twitter every day, that this is where the battle is. But you know, I cannot divide myself into two. This is all about time, resources. If it is possible, but I don't think. If I have multiple phones, I think it will be good for us. I'm doing TikTok program. I can connect to Twitter Space since it's just audio. But all those things are resources. Sometimes some of you thought that we are being paid to do what we are doing. No, we're just struggling to make sure we put smile on their face to carry you along, in as much as we are still having internal setback among us, but we are going to confront that in due time. So even as you can see me speaking from my working place, I just try to bring out time, to convey this message to you. And we're going to meet tonight by 8 p.m. Biafran time. And I remain a humble servant.
Okay, my wonderful people, this is now waiting me to sell and talk. And I say my bring and come show. Now let us jump for inside they happen for inside Nigeria as we they talk right now. They say the investors don't they jackpot because of the Owomida and the Aburu where they happen for international Murtala Mohammed International Airport. Watch the video.
Investors are complaining. Lagos Airport, that's the first thing they see. You get off the plane, this is welcome to Nigeria. The number of messages that I received from passengers, from the Honorable Minister, and from the Presidency is insane. Especially from Lagos Airport. But I want to focus on ABSEC. You represent an agency and an organization. The way you engage, Auntie, what do you bring home for us? Auntie, bye-bye. Auntie, open your bag. I have another individual who said, I think I forwarded that to you. These were Chinese passengers that were flying through the terminal. And they said somebody gave them a gift, their necklace as a gift. I've also gotten feedback from ABSEC officers and customs saying that they are not collecting pension. So this is the way for them to generate or earn their pension. This has to stop. And I have a very clear directive. It goes for the team leads, it goes for the HODs, and it goes for the heads of the organizations at the airport. If your organization is found wanting, then it means that you as a leader has failed, and it means that I have failed. And this better stop. I also hear that agencies are giving returns to their bosses. So let's have frank conversations in here. The airport is no longer a place to come and make money. So if anybody in your organization is asking you to give returns, I'm saying the same to you. And to all of the other agencies here, better tell them you don't want to come here. Because the penalties are going to be stiff.
Okay, my wonderful people, you still there for Bump Info News. As you have watched that video, try to share them so that other people will get the information and know how it did go for the area.